Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a portfolio on Wix, of course, in general, and the simple but yet effective steps on general Wix features. Wix is an amazing website for that, honestly, because you can start for free, experience what they have, and then just go on and make your great website with their easy tools. So for that, I'm just gonna say get started. We don't need to see what Wix offers right now because they already have a lot of good stuff, and we're gonna see what they have in general anyway. I'm just gonna say get started, and then we're gonna continue with Google, because why not? Let's just continue with Google. You can open your account with Google so easily. And of course, once you do that, we will be able to just say create a new site. Of course, you can do the mobile apps, you can do custom templates, you can do custom apps, you can see other stuff on the left side here. But of course, in the beginning, you don't need that. You can even become a partner, and join their partner program, and then of course you can do revenue shares and stuff. But like I said, for your portfolio website, you don't need that in the beginning, at least. We're just gonna click on create new site right now. And of course, now we have 4 options, technically 4. You can start from a blank canvas, which is the most, I wouldn't say professional, but I would say the most nitpicky option. It's you want to do everything by yourself, step by step. And then there's the option to start from a template, which is okay, but I don't like using other people's templates, so that's not my whole thing. You can do something amazing with a template, but like I said, it feels like I just copied somebody else's work in general. And there's also the build with Wix feature, Wix editor, and then you just go on and just do everything with the drag and drop. And then there's the generate a site structure with AI. This will be our primary choice this time because, of course, I never did a portfolio website before. I made a few websites, but of course, to make a proper portfolio website, we could use some help. I'm just gonna say portfolio, describe your business. I do video editing work and I need a portfolio to show off all the work I do. What's my main service? Showcase a portfolio. What's the name of business? Tech Guys videos. Where's the business located? US of A. And who's the target audience? Anybody looking for a video editor. What makes this business unique? I make specialized videos for whoever needs them. What are the main goals of the site? To get work done. Professional and informative. And then we'll say continue, we write everything. What makes this business unique? What are the main goals? The target audience, the name of the business, location, business type, everything. And of course, then we can get 2 types of websites. We can get a visual sitemap or and wireframes, or just a visual sitemap. I want the wireframes too, so I will just say start generating. That takes a little longer, unfortunately, but of course it's worth the time because how long it can take, right? As you can see, guys, it's going pretty fast. So we're just gonna go over it and then see what can be done, because it's gonna give us the basic structure, but it's not gonna give us everything. It's gonna give us a lot of things. Then we'll go over them and see how much we can change, how much we want to change, and of course what can we add, because as you can remember, that's a portfolio. We have to add our work as well. So we're gonna see which parts we have to edit to, and then of course these parts will lead to more work, and to a successful portfolio website. So we just like, yes, installing relevant business solutions. Okay, that's good. Generating the sitemap and wireframes. Like, you are seeing like the sitemap right now, which is really important for the site structure. And of course, the more we get that, of course, the more work we can get done. Because imagine spending so much time for this instead of like using the AI like to get a website done real easy. Welcome to our portfolio. I'm not gonna say our, I'm gonna say my. Why? Okay. Welcome to my portfolio. Yes. Yeah, of course, like as you can see, they have like, yeah, weirdly they have pictures. I am not having those right now because I didn't do content for them. As you can see, we have like, yes, as you can see, like this is photo. We're gonna change this image. Promotional videos, again, like we would have to change these images. We can even say create AI image. Let's just say create AI image. Video production. We're just gonna say describe your image, video production, and see what it can create for us. Okay, I'm liking this. Let's just get this like that. And then we can say save. It should just like show it here. Of course, this can be a little bit edited. Not change image, but yeah, maybe crop like this. Yes, perfect. Promotional videos, again, we can even like go on and say like AI image creator, promotional video, and then create an image. You can always like choose styles as well, but I don't want to like use any specific styles. I'm just gonna like take that like that. This is okay. Not all AI features are that good, but still like it's better than none, and it's kind of easy. Like it is so easy for the starter to do. Event style. I'm just gonna do create image again. Like I just want to see how it looks when it's like fully done. Let's just say we took that as well. Like, okay, I can take that one, use it like this, and then say save to put that image there. Of course, we have even more pages here. We have the about page and everything. Like, as you can see, there are like a lot of things to fill here. You would have to like go over them and fill them by hand, of course. But the more you do it, the more you can like go great with it, honestly. And then you go in and like fill in the contact part. You like your own like the numbers and everything, like the name, the phone, the email, whatever you need. And of course, people can get in touch with you as well. That's generally it, honestly. And when it's done, you can like publish it from the top right corner. And like, let me just zoom in to that for you guys. Where is the publish button? Yes, it's right here. And then you can like publish from this button right here. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.